Hey, welcome. So today I will show you how to install Obsibrain and how to quickly get started. So first, you will need to get a copy of your order. So you will receive an email with your receipt and you will find a link where you can first get and download Obsibrain zip file. And if you scroll down, you will get your license key. So also copy it, keep it somewhere, and let's get back to our files. So let's first get those files with the Obsibrain zip file, and let's open Obsibrain. So you will have to first unzip that file, and you will get 3 items inside this Obsibrain folder. First is the README. Please, README is actually to read it. So read that file. This is like important step and important links that you will need. Inside the extra folder, you will find extra item that I gave you. So for example, if you want to change the obsidian icon with the Obsibrain one, you will be able to do it with it. And lastly, you will have the Obsibrain vault itself. So let's quickly open folder as vault and choose Obsibrain vault and click open. You will have this window and you will have to trust author and enable plugins. Everything is working with plugins. So if you want to work with that vault, you will have to enable plugins. And you will be pretty good to go. As you can see, multiple modals and pop-ups will be shown. First, you can close the settings. You will certainly be prompted with your email address and your license key. Please use the email address you used to purchase Obsibrain and the license key you got. And when you will be good to go, you will be prompted with welcome to Obsibrain, and you can close it. It will do a last reload to make sure everything is working fine, and you're good to go. Just wanted to mention a few things before you get started with Obsibrain. First, some basic guidelines. If you go to the settings, you can change the appearance. We are using the border theme, but if you want to change it for anything else, you can. You just have to scroll down and choose the theme you want. It should work with any themes, so please free to choose the one you prefer. Two last things to mention. First, if you need to change any Obsibrain settings, you will go to the community plugins, Obsibrain, and there you will find a list of available settings. In the future, we will release more and more features, and you will be able to change more and more settings as the vault evolves. And then I wanted to mention something with the community plugins. So as you can see, we already have a large list of community plugins. Most of them are used internally inside and for Obsibrain. So please don't remove any of them. If you want to add some plugins, you can, but be careful. Go to community plugins, go to browse plugins, and there, please first make a backup of your vault. We have 2000 plugins available, and I can't ensure that every one of them will be compatible with Obsibrain. So if you want to install multiple ones, first install one plugin, let's say the advanced table, check if everything is working within your vault, and then move on and install the second one, the third one, etc. Please be careful with vault modification regarding the settings, the base settings of every installed plugin, anything related to the Obsibrain settings, etc. Be careful. If you need any more help, you can go to the bottom right corner and you will find the Obsibrain logo. You will just have to click on it and you will find documentation, Discord community server, and support link. Obviously, don't miss the documentation. This one is really important if you want to really know and understand how to use each features of Obsibrain. You will have to go through this documentation. You can't just open Obsibrain and skip that one. So please read it. This is really important. And this was the last message I have to tell you. So enjoy Obsibrain, be productive, and see you in the next video.